Welcome back to MS English Podcast, your cozy space to learn easy, real-life English through natural conversations. Amazing! I'm Mary, English teacher, coffee lover, and yes, still waking up mentally even after coffee.
And I'm Marcus. And honestly, Mary, today feels like one of those episodes where people are going to say, wow, this is exactly what I needed.
I really think so too, because today we're talking about something I hear almost every single week from students. They say, Mary, I understand English, I can read it, I can listen, but I can't speak.
That sentence is everywhere. And the worst part is the feeling that comes with it. Frustration, embarrassment, sometimes even shame.
Yes, and if you're listening right now and thinking, that's me, I want you to pause for a second and breathe because there's nothing wrong with you.
Nothing at all.
And before we go deeper, quick reminder, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English. It really helps us keep creating these free conversations for you.
We truly appreciate it.
So, Marcus, let's start with the big question. Why does this happen? Why do people understand English but feel blocked when they try to speak?
I think many learners believe speaking should happen automatically. If I understand, I should speak. But speaking is a different skill.
Exactly. And here's the key idea of today's episode. Most learners train their brain, but forget to train their mouth.
That sounds simple, but it's powerful.
Very powerful. Because your mouth is physical, it's muscle, and muscles don't learn by watching or reading, they learn by doing.
It's like reading 10 books about swimming, but never entering the pool.
Yes, your brain knows what swimming is, but your body panics.
And that's exactly what happens with speaking English.
Your brain says, I know this word, but your mouth says, I've never done this before.
And then people think, I'm bad at English.
Which breaks my heart because it's not true. It's not about intelligence. It's about lack of physical repetition.
So speaking English is closer to going to the gym than studying for a test.
Absolutely. You don't get strong by imagining exercises.
And you don't go once and expect results.
Exactly. When you start speaking English, it feels strange. Your mouth feels slow, your sounds feel wrong, and that's normal.
Very normal.
So let's talk about how to actually train the mouth. One of my favorite techniques is called shadowing.
Shadowing is something that sounds advanced, but is actually very simple.
Yes, you listen to English, a podcast, a video, and you repeat almost at the same time.
Not stopping, not translating, just following.
Exactly, like a shadow following a body.
So if the speaker says, I didn't have time this morning, you repeat, I didn't have time this morning.
You copy the rhythm, the pauses, the melody of the sentence.
And even if you don't understand every word,
you keep going. That's very important. Shadowing is about sound first, meaning later.
and that helps your mouth get used to English patterns.
Yes, patterns are everything in fluency.
Now, some people say, but I feel silly doing that.
Good! That means you're doing it right. Learning feels uncomfortable before it feels natural.
That's such an important reminder.
Another simple but powerful habit is repeating short phrases every day.
Not long sentences, not speeches.
Simple phrases. I'm ready, I can do it, let's go, not now.
And repetition makes them automatic.
Yes, just like when you learn a song. At first, you read the lyrics. Later, your mouth sings before your brain thinks.
That's fluency.
And say these phrases with emotion. Emotion helps memory.
Now let's talk about one of my favorite tips.
Speak English out loud even when you're alone.
Your house is your safe zone.
Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. I'm making coffee. I need to answer emails. I'm tired.
You don't need correction at this stage.
Exactly. This is not performance. This is practice.
And the more noise you make in English, the more natural it feels.
Now, let's shift to the mind, thinking in English.
That scares a lot of people.
Because they imagine complex thoughts, but you start very small.
Single words.
Yes, water, phone, cold, hungry.
And slowly, short phrases.
I'm hungry. It's cold today. I need coffee. Very important sentence, by the way.
Especially for you.
Absolutely. Thinking in English removes translation, and translation slows you down.
That's when English starts flowing.
And to support that, English needs to live in your day.
Not only in study time.
Change your phone language. Watch short videos. Listen to music, podcasts.
Even memes.
Yes, memes are learning in disguise.
Now, consistency.
This might be the most important part.
5 minutes every day beats 1 hour once a week.
Small daily habits train your mouth and mind together.
And they build confidence.
Another thing that builds confidence is celebrating your voice.
Your accent is not the enemy.
It's part of your identity. Don't wait to be perfect to speak.
Speak to become better.
Speaking communication matters more than perfection.
And finally, this idea connects everything.
Your brain follows your mouth.
Speaking is not the result of learning.
Speaking is the learning.
When you speak, your brain adapts faster.
Fluency is born in practice, not in silence.
So don't wait.
Start speaking today.
Your homework is simple.
Write one English sentence you'll repeat every day.
Leave it in the comments.
We read everything.
Thank you for being part of MS English Podcast.
Keep practicing, trust the process, and let's do this.